miss everything. I miss right now when I kick, I don't feel fast, I don't feel strong. I feel like my body's not what my mind thinks that it is. Devoting so many years of your life. I mean, I did 6 that were pretty intense, but I also, I've been training in this for my entire life. And then you go to taking an entire year off. I am gonna be done competing. Maybe I did like a solid, I'd say under 5 Taekwondo workouts in that whole year. But my body just doesn't feel strong, it feels weak. Whenever I kick, I just feel slow. I don't feel fast. I look at the video and I just don't feel like myself. It feels like my body is not what my mind thinks that it is. It's such a weird feeling. It's so weird. And I'm not complaining, I'm just telling you what I'm thinking. If you don't put the work in, don't expect the results. But what do I miss? What do I miss the most about Taekwondo and competing? I miss feeling sweaty after a workout, like when you take your gear off and your shirt is just drenched, and you take your arm guards off and they stink, and your hair on your arm is just sticking up, and there's just all this sweat on you, and I miss that. I miss feeling that sense of physical accomplishment after you do something that you haven't been able to do. I miss when you get kicked in the face because you realize you were unfocused for just half a second. That took you by surprise and your opponent got the shot. I miss traveling and living out of a suitcase and meeting new people that you can't even talk to because you talk in different languages, but your bodies can talk to each other through the Taekwondo, through the training. I miss having a place to just go out and get all of your stress and anger out. I miss knowing what every day is going to be like. Knowing, hey, today I have to go work on my footwork drills. Today I have to go in the gym and get a stronger, whatever. I can't even think about it at this point. But I just miss having that routine and that schedule, knowing that you're working out to a competition and then you have a different cycle. You get a week break and then, your workouts are different. I just miss that sense of routine and specific purpose, really short-term purpose up until a certain tournament and the long-term purpose of the end goal. I miss friendships. I miss training and friendships through other training partners. I miss getting to stand up and receiving a medal because you just won. I miss the feeling after you win a fight. I miss the feeling after you lose a fight when literally everything. I used to be devastated when I lost and just feeling like everything sucked. But then after that sucky feeling comes this awesome feeling of, no, I'm going to try even harder. I might have fallen down and I might have sucked right now, but that doesn't matter because the only thing that matters is what I do tomorrow and what I do to take myself where I want to be. That sense of motivation after a loss, that's just unexplainable. And yeah, I can get that in other parts of life, but I miss it from the sport. Why did I quit again? No, there's definitely, it was a great time. And you can miss something without necessarily going back to it. That's something I'm learning lately, especially in relationships. Funny how everything is kind of similar in life, it's just presented in different ways. Those are definitely the top things I miss. I miss just being here. Anyway, thank you for watching this odd video that's more for me to just get my thoughts and emotions out after realizing I've been gone from this sport for a year. Who knows what I'm going to do in the next year? Really, who knows? I'm getting ankle shots as soon as I quit procrastinating because recently all I want to do is go out and live life and ski and sled and hike and bike. I mean, I'm still a pretty active person. But it is different when you don't just focus it all on one activity and you spread it amongst a whole bunch of other activities and it's not as serious. I don't know, my body's just not in shape like it used to be. But great things are coming. There's a quote that's like, "Isn't it wonderful knowing that some of the best days of your life haven't happened yet?" That's crazy because I've already had the best days. So knowing that even better days are coming, life is cool. Alright, I will see you guys all next time. Thanks so much for being subscribed to my channel, and if you're not, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.